Hi, Pat Gage here. I'm from the Block G Group and the opportunitycreator.com. On today's video, I'm going to take a question that came in from Gabrielle from our last mastermind. It was an awesome question. She had two. I'll answer the first one here on this video and then make another video for the other one. The first question is what's the best way to reach out to off-market property owners? Email, call, scripts, and the such. And my answer to that is it is all of them. I've used direct mail, I've used cold calling, I've used ringless answering machines, I've used, picked up the phone myself, and it all it all works, right? We are now, as recording this video, it's May of 2021. We're still in a seller's market, so they are getting bombarded with direct mail, phone calls. You just got to stand out in whatever medium that you're taking, right? I tend on the direct mail side, I use different color paper, right? I use a yellow letter paper. So when they get that and open it, they're like, whoa, what's up with this? I've also used postcards. I've also used different size of direct mail as far as like an invitation sized mail. So it doesn't look like business mail, looks like an invitation. Oh my God, I can't speak. An invitation to some kind of party, so they'll open it. And that's the whole point, right? To get them to open it, right? And you talk about scripts and stuff like that. Basically, you really don't want to sound scripted. And that's really where you're going to succeed in either your letters or your calling or your message or the voicemails you leave. Be very casual. Because then again, folks, property owners are just like you and me, right? They're just exactly like you and me. They put on their pants the same way. They just happen to, own a building or two, right? So they want to be approached in the same fashion that you want to be approached, right? So you got to take that into mind and actually, put on the shoes of your audience. So do I have any scripts? Yeah, I've used scripts in the past, but my biggest success has been just off the cuff, just kind of how would I want to approach this, right? How would I want to, if I'm opening up a letter, and you got to look at what you get in your daily mail or your weekly mail, as far as what are the letters you open up that make you feel okay, or the other ones go, oh, this is cool. I opened up one the other day that I got. It was for what was it, Anderson Windows. And it came in an invitation size, and it looked like it was handwritten, totally different than the standard, 8 by 11. Hey, we're in your neighborhood. Those are the kind of things that stand out. So, Gabrielle, I hate to be, kind of roundabout, but it really is do all of them. Set up your marketing calendar to 1 month do direct mail. The next month you do, emails. The next month you do calls. The next month you do direct mail again. And then you're going to take the results from that and figure out which is the better, which was pulling better, right? And again, you got to realize that they're getting contacted, especially now when it's a seller's market and there's so many, people chasing deals. You got to stand out, right? Do something different. I've done lumpy mail, which we used to call a long time ago. It's basically a mail that's different form, different size, right? I send a little squishy ball in the mail. Now, those are more expensive, right? But again, when they get that, they think, wow, this is cool. So it's the medium, yes, but it's also the uniqueness of that medium you're using, right? Direct mail, everybody can do direct mail, right? But is it when they open your letter, it's a different color paper, or some kind of a calendar, falls out, some kind of takeaway that they can take with them is in there. There's a lot of different things you can do. And again, it's to your budget and it's to what you are trying to do. So obviously, I don't like spending a lot of money, but then again, sometimes if I'm really going after a project that I really want, I'll spend that extra, few $100s to do a lumpy mail or send them something that they're going to remember me, a calendar with my, company logo and stuff on it. It just depends. But listen, Gabrielle, thank you very much for your questions. And everybody, just please, if you have any questions like that, let me know. Email them to me. Go to my website at opportunitycreator.com. Send them in. And also join us on the Masterminds. We're every other Wednesday at 7 p.m. Also on opportunitycreator.com, Zoom Mastermind calls. That's the link to get on the Zoom Masterminds and ask your questions. Bi-weekly, I have experts in the field that are doing this business, and you can come and ask them questions. So that's the purpose of the Mastermind. But listen, thank you very much. I appreciate it. We'll look for you on the other side. Take it easy now.